That's pretty impressive. Would you break it?
No. Okay, it's good. I guess it didn't like the drift mode. Let's that cool down a little bit.
What'd it do?
I don't know. Shouldn't have done nothing.
Will a message pop up or something?
Yeah.
What did it say?
It said drive mode section off and all-wheel drive off.
Oh.
It happened. I know sometimes if I'm too far on the hill, it'll do the same. Oh, that house. Smoking.
Yeah, it really came around pretty well though.
Yeah, and then once I got in the spot, it was just straight circling.
What year is it?
17.
Here, rev it out real quick.
Let me open up the exhaust more.
Oh, that's one of them closed?
That was sport. Track opens it all the way up.
Did it clear?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good now. The only thing that's popping is that just the tire fault like it was earlier. It just needed time to cool down.
You ready to go drive 350?
Yeah, let's do it.